Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of baby essentials, focusing on what I believe is the best mattress protector for cribs currently available in the market, the Bamuho Cotton Crib Mattress Protector. Let's start with the basics. This mattress protector is crafted from 100% pure cotton, ensuring a soft and gentle touch for your baby's delicate skin. What sets this apart is its innovative design featuring a double TPU membrane. It effectively repels liquids, stains, and spills, keeping your mattress fresh and clean. Installing the Bamuho protector is a breeze, thanks to its high rebound elastic skirt that provides a secure 360 degrees fit. It's designed to accommodate mattresses ranging from 3 to 8 inches thick. One of its standout features is the 3D breathable fabric, which promotes excellent air circulation while swiftly absorbing moisture. This ensures your baby stays comfortable and dry throughout the night. Parents will appreciate the stain protection this product offers. It's not just about convenience, it's about maintaining hygiene and extending the lifespan of your crib mattress. Now, when it comes to customer satisfaction, Bamuho stands behind their product with a commitment to excellence. They offer a generous return policy, ensuring peace of mind for every purchase. For those concerned about safety and environmental impact, the Bamuho Cotton Crib Mattress Protector is OEKO-TEX Standard 100 certified, ensuring it meets rigorous standards for harmful substances. In conclusion, if you're looking to invest in quality sleep and protection for your baby, the Bamuho Cotton Crib Mattress Protector is a top choice. Its blend of comfort, durability, and functionality truly makes it the best mattress protector for cribs available today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of essential products. Until next time, sleep well.